non-negotiable to my entire life. And now to speak about the film Amarant, the word Amarant, it means immortal. So it is a biographical picture of a martyred soldier of our country, Major Mukund Varadarajan. He was awarded Ashok Chakra posthumously. I don't know if Major Mukund Varadarajan would have ever dreamt or thought of himself as a hero, or that a film would finally be made on him after him passing away or something of that sort. When he, at those moments of courage, at those moments of sacrifice, I think none of the soldiers would approach it that way. But now we stand here, all of us, taking all of those. I don't know if this is a celebratory moment. Maybe though it's a film festival. Yes, it's celebratory for the film crew and for all of us, for filmmakers, yes. But I see this as a moment of tribute and also a feather to the process, and it will only encourage us to keep making more films. And at the end of this film screening, if at all, if the film reminds you of someone that you love, I think that's the purpose of this film.
Lovely.
Yeah. And most of the soldiers, we may come across them, we may recognize their faces, we may not remember their faces. So this film is an ode to every soldier who has donned the uniform or retired or any sort of serviceman in this country. So that's how I see this. And once again, I don't know how much ever we thank. I think the gratitude is so much that for having Amarant being selected as the opening film at the prestigious Indian Panorama section of IFFI. That's a great privilege. Thanks to all of us for giving us this opportunity to be standing here. At this moment, I'd like to thank my producer, the legendary Mr. Kamal Hassan sir.